Hello everyone. Institute of Management and Commerce, Department of Journalism and Mass Communication presenting IHM's Kitchen Magic. Roopesh sir with me. Let's talk with him about his kitchen magic story. Hello sir.
Hi ma'am.
Welcome to our show.
Thank you.
And what's special day today in your kitchen?
Okay, actually today we are going to have a second menu of our this one. We have a French classical menus. So we have a set of menus like a set of chicken velouté soup and ragout de mutton and coleslaw, that is a salad, and fruit tart, it's a dessert based.
What's the specialty of this practical, sir?
Actually, from the practical, students will learn more knowledge about their hands. They can utilize their skills and their renovations and any presentation techniques they can implement to the food. So here the students are making your fruit tart base. For that they are sieving the flour and they combine all the butter and sugar. And there it's called a rubbing method. They should rub with the hands and sprinkle with some milk, and after that they'll make a dough and they'll cut it into tart shape, and tart shape they'll bake it, and in the tart they'll put some cream and all the fruit, everything, and they'll present it in a nice manner. And this is a stock. Actually, stock is a base for all the soups or gravies, so that is already almost done. And here they are making the ragout de mutton, the gravy things. So they'll cut all this one in a very small brunoise shape and they'll saute it in the oil. This is the one of the signature dish from the France, that is called ragout de mutton. First you need to melt the butter in a kadai. After melting we need to chop the onions and chop the carrot and chop the celery, put everything together, saute it until it's properly done. Once this is done, we can add your mutton pieces. That's a boiled mutton pieces. Boiled mutton pieces already add, and again we added the stock of either mutton or another stock. You can add it. Add that. After that we need to dust little bit of flour in that. Okay, so you need to add the flour in that, and tomato puree. It's already done. And
How talented they are, right? At a time they are making 4 types of delicious food. Let me wait until it has to be done.
and keep it, check the consistency. Okay, you can put a shredded cabbage. Okay, then your garlic and vinegar. Okay, can you get this one spoons, oval spoons? Whipping cream, custard or jam.
Yes, with the guidance of Roopesh sir, finally, our Institute of Hotel Management and Tourism students have done wonderful work.
So this is a chicken velouté soup. So made with the cream velouté sauce and chicken shredded and mushrooms. And have a taste. It's a plain salad. Actually, we Indians won't like that much because
Okay.
it's a your cabbage and dressed with your vinegar and garlic and white pepper and salt. It's a basic. It's a kind of butter based rich gravy. While we are having it, we can feel the richness of the gravy, but it's a mild taste.
This is our Hotel Management and
Yes.
Tourism Department by Srinivas University. Keep watching Sri News. Thank you.